Are you feeling overwhelmed as summer ends? It's back to school season, and with it comes a rush of online tasks. Managing school accounts should be stress-free, not a digital nightmare. The digital world is complex. Your family's online security shouldn't feel impossible. Enter 1Password, the ultimate solution for keeping your family safe online. 1Password makes strong password management a breeze. Generate unique passwords and monitor for breaches. No more insecure passwords. With 1Password, safeguard your children from scams with ease. You can easily secure your family's data against phishing and shopping scams. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your family's data is protected. Unlike others, 1Password offers a comprehensive approach tailored for families. Don't wait for a cybersecurity scare to act. Get started with 1Password today and secure your family's digital life. Visit our site and take charge of your own online safety now.